guys, welcome to my channel. This is Praise Gaspar, and right now we're gonna unbox this BOYA by-MM1 universal cardioid microphone, and we're going to do a comparison of mics that you can use in your iPhone as a newbie vlogger. I ordered this mic in Lazada yesterday, which is Thursday at 3 a.m. and then I received today Friday at around 1 p.m. This mic cost $39 plus $150 delivery charge. Right now, I'm using a clip-on mic. It's an omnidirectional mic. Omnidirectional mic means it records the signal with equal gains at any sides. BOYA by-MM1, it's a cardioid type of mic. Cardioid type of mic, it means it picks up the sound high in front but low behind. Kung itong clip-on na gamit ko, it's a 360 pickup. Cardioid type of mic is a 180-degree pickup lang. Let's see what's inside of this box first. Tumalsik. We have here the mic itself. Yan, together with the furry windshield. Natatanggal yan. This is the mic and this is the furry windshield. May nabasa akong isang vlog, sabi, this is a dead cat. Cute niya. The mic. Dito lalagay yung cable. Next is the shock mount. Yan. Ito yung nilalagay sa mga cameras, camcorders. Ako, nilalagay ko to sa tripod. And we have here the 3.5mm TRS output cable. So, ito yung ina-attach sa mga camcorders, cameras, and all those audio-video devices. Yung parang may sa telepono. Another cable here is the .5mm PRRS output cable. Ito naman yung ina-attach sa mga smartphones and tablets. Itong part na ito yung i-attach sa mic. Sa mic natin. May symbol siya dyan and it says microphone. Then the other end, naka-label as smartphone. May drawing din, syempre. So, ito yun. By the way, nung binili ko ito sa seller ng Lazada, sabi niya, it's not applicable in iPhones. Sa Androids lang. Sa tingin ko, kaya niya nasabi yon kasi ang mga new iPhones ngayon, wala nang jack. Wala nang saksakan ito. 8-pin na siya. Di ba pag bumili tayo ng iPhone or may nabibili naman na adapter ng Lightning to jack adapters, nakakabit kasi sa phone ko kaya hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo. So, yun lang. Paganan nyo na yung mic. We also have here the pouch, leather pouch. Maganda to, pang travel. Para hindi malasog-lasog yung mic nyo. May silica gel siya. And inside, we have two papers here. One is warranty card. And another one is the instruction manual, of course. Gagamit ako ng mount na ito. Kasi ikakabit ko siya sa tripod. Ayan na siya. And then my tripod is here. It's a Benro tripod. Yan. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko kinakabit. Yan na siya sa aking tripod. So, ikakabit na natin tong mic. And since iPhone ang gamit natin for this video, of course, yung 3.5mm TRRS for smartphones ang gagamitin natin, yung may mga label. Yan. Kabit ko na muna dyan sa harap. Ayan, so kung mapapansin nyo, wala na akong suot na clip-on mic kasi naka-attach na sa phone ko yung ating BOYA BY-MM1. Ang haba ng name nito. Boyo na lang ang itawag natin. So, ayan. At hindi na rin ako kailangan masyadong magsalita ng malakas kasi capture na niya. Ultimo hinga ko nakukuha niya minsan. Kanina pala, kumanta ako, kinantahan ko to. Kasi cardioid mic is great for recording vocals and anything that's supposed to sound dry and close. Like podcast, streams, yan, maganda gumamit ng cardioid mic dyan. So, nung kinantahan ko siya kanina, so far, masaya naman ako sa narinig ko kasi nalesen yung background and yung white noises na wala. Tapos yung sound, parang ako na lang talaga yung bida. So, ang kinaganda sa mic na to, it's compact size and lightweight aluminum constructure. Maganda siya pang travel kasi 86 grams lang siya according dun sa mic. It's anti-shock mount. Itong red na to. Itong furry windproof shield, yung buhok-buhok na yan. Minimizing wind and environmental noise for outdoor recording. And also, this mic is not battery operated. So, wala kang magiging problema kapag na-low bat, it's just a plug and play. So now, let's do a comparison of mics. iPhone lang ang gamit ko sa video na ito. Sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa pag-vlog, we don't jump into gears kaagad kasi beginners pa lang tayo. Using your iPhone is actually a good start. But make sure that you have a better sound quality kasi mahirap naman yung salita ka ng salita, wala na palang nakakaintindi sa'yo. So, we're going to compare the following. iPhone earphones. Yes, pwede mong gamitin ang mic ng iPhone earphones sa pagbablog para mas malinaw yung capture ng boses mo. Earlier this video, I'm using this clip-on mic, the Omni Directional. So, yung cable nito ay mahaba, 3 meter length. And I have here the Bluetooth earphones. May mic ang Bluetooth earphone na ito. Kung gusto mong hindi ka nalilimit ng cord, pwede mo siyang gamitin. And lastly, our BOYA BY-MM1, yung gamit natin ngayon na mic. I will be reading the whole chapter of Psalms 27 and changing mics for our comparison. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When the wicked advance against me to devour me, it is my enemies and my foes who will stumble and fall. Though an army besiege me, my heart will not fear. Though war break out against me, even then I will be confident. One thing I ask from the Lord, this is only do I seek, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to gaze on the beauty of the Lord, and to seek Him in His temple. For in the day of trouble, He will keep me safe in His dwelling. He will hide me in the shelter of His sacred tent, and set me high upon a rock. Then my head will be exalted above the enemies who surround me. At His sacred tent I will sacrifice with shouts of joy. I will sing and make music to the Lord. Hear my voice when I call, Lord. Be merciful to me and answer me. My heart says of you, seek His face. Your face, Lord, I will seek. Do not hide your face from me. Do not turn your servant away in anger. You have been my helper. Do not reject me or forsake me, God my Savior. Though my father and mother forsake me, the Lord will receive me. Teach me your way, Lord. Lead me in a straight path because of my oppressors. Do not turn me over to the desire of my foes, for false witnesses rise up against me, spouting malicious accusations. I remain confident of this. I will see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart, and wait for the Lord. Ayan, so nakita na natin yung difference ng mga mics na pwede natin gamitin sa iPhone as a newbie vlogger. Hindi pa rin ako nagpapalit ng mic, yung Boya pa rin ang gamit ko sa ngayon. And I will be posting the link below kung kaninang seller sa Lazada Singapore ko nabili itong BOYA BY-MM1. Para kampante tayo na legit yung item and this seller delivers fast. Imagine, nabili ko siya ng Thursday 3 a.m. Dumating siya sa akin ng Friday at 1 p.m. So, dito po tayo nagtatapos. And thank you for being with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your comments below and hope to see you again in my other videos. Thanks for watching.